Today we are not really building something, we are just giving you an update. This might be update Sunday number 2 about the things that are about to happen in the next weeks. We have this compy build of ours. We promised to give him a new front axle. So that new front axle is on the bench, and it will be this one, but then an offset pumpkin. So yeah, he's going to get a good axle, and then the drive shaft will nicely line up. So that's one of the things that's on here. Major thing on here is the rebuild of this guy. Why are we rebuilding him? A box arrived. Let me just show you. A box arrived from the US. This one is from Crowler Canyon, and in here is Candace. So Candace is a little sister of this guy, the Flanker, which I won about 2 years ago. His axles are on Velma, which is another build. He's going to get these Traxxas axles back, and Velma will then get new axles. I have a couple of sets laying around. I have some ideas for her, so these axles will return to the righteous owner, which is the Flanco. What else do we have? We have a complete box of stuff, because we store everything nice. This is the homemade chassis by Crowler Canyon. The rails, so these will be used. We still have bumpers, because it has a specific bumper system, body mount system. So we have that, we have sliders, we have body posts, we even have shocks, and all the links are still in here. Missing a few rod ends, but even the screws that were used, the servo that came with it, so everything is here. Should actually be just fiddle it all back together, and then this boy can get back on the road. We got this massive light up here. I'm not sure if I want to keep it, and I will have to straighten it out because it's a bit crooked. Maybe some headlights. We will see. We will see where this boy ends up. So that's to come. Yeah, now I really want the Flanco to be ready before I unbox Candace. Then there's 2 UTB 18s, one of mine, one of Kinnett's, our print master of Team ReVolt, so that one needs to be done. We are going to do a Team ReVolt Class 2. We are going to use the Tsunami chassis, and this is the last one of the V2s. So we had V1, they were all sold out. V2, there was one left. We are at V3 now. A few are still available, but this is the last of the V2 ones, and we are going to use it ourselves to build a Class 2 vehicle for us, so we can yeah, attend some comps. That will be nice. What else is there? Of course, yeah, Velma then needs to be rebuilt. Velma is this girl, also a body made and painted by Crowler Canyon. Then this arrived, the quick run stuff, the WP 10BL80, and then there is the 3530. We chose the 1700 kV. That is about to be tested. And then what else is to be tested? We have 2 sets of Merce axles. One are the cheat codes, and one are the what is it? The plastic straight white Capra white axles. So these will need to be tested and put in some builds. Yeah, so we can we can enjoy ourselves for a while. So yeah, what else do I want to say? This is the workbench is cleaned up, and I'm really happy with how that turned out. So we have a lot more room over here now. Just put the whiteboard back on its place. It's behind me on a wall, so I can't miss it when I walk in. It's cold in here. It's freezing in Belgium at the moment. We had our first snow. In here it's 3 degrees, which is like 34, something like that, 34 Fahrenheit. So it's really cold, yeah. But I'm looking forward to rebuild this one. Got a couple of tires for him, because he was on Canyon Trails, which is a 465 tire, and it might have been just a tiny bit too big. Oh man, he's been gathering some dust. So we want to try lower tires, and we have in the box from Candice a set of, I don't know, Pro lines. They are 4.1, 4.2, something like that. I think it's a Hyrax in Predator compound, so Predator should work here well. I don't know, I think I had another set laying around, but I don't exactly see it immediately. We have some Kraken class from Injora. Maybe this is also, this is more the right size of tire for, this is a 4.19, and it actually, yeah, that actually doesn't look too bad. I have more of these, yeah. So this is maybe more how he should look. 4.19, man, that's gonna be. Maybe I will end up with a, as we say in Crowler Canyon terminology, with a 1.5 build. That will be nice. If you want to know how sticky S5 compound is, this has been sitting on my shelf for a while, and there's nothing in there, so they are really sticky. My pin tire doesn't really suit this guy, but it's a 417, so yeah, we have a couple of options for this guy. I still have the wheels where he came on, and that's these ones, and as you see, they are just a tiny bit too big. These are also the original wheels, and I love these wheels, so I will reuse them. Yeah, but just a tiny bit, just a little bit tinier wheel will be perfect. Okay, I'm thinking if there's anything else I wanted to say. There's a couple of episodes on the way of wet and cold, or well, what are these episodes titled? And I forget my own. Oh yeah, Watergates, and that are these two boys. They follow. They will be probably up next Thursday and next Sunday. It's the Proline Ibex in the Predator compound, and then one of my favorite tires so far in crawling, the Bully from RC 4-wheel drive. And these are up, yeah, Thursday and next Sunday probably. So that is to come. And then yeah, you saw the whiteboard. I'm already doing a little bit of this Christmas decoration, thanks to my wife and daughter who bought this stuff for me. I'm really happy on how the workbench is now, and I have a lot more room to work with. So yeah, okay, nothing more to say on this Sunday. I'm not gonna take too much of your time, but I do hope you come back to see what we all will be fiddling about in the next few weeks until the end of the year. So hope to see you all then. Bye.